there's 4 key elements that you have to work on as a salesperson. So there's 4 key elements that you have to work on as a salesperson. Number 1, the person, that's you, right? You gotta work on yourself every single day, because if you're not right, none of this could ever work. So number 1, you gotta work on you, right? The person. Number 2, you gotta work on the product. You gotta know what you're selling. You gotta be able to explain the product, at the very least, know what it is, right? And you gotta know a little something about it. Even if you're not a product expert, you got to know a little something about it to at least do a product demonstration, right? So number 2 is the product. Number 3 is the process, right? If you're right and you know the product, you got to know the process as to how to sell it. So you got to be good yourself, right? You're the person, number 1. Number 2 is the product. Number 3, the process. You got to know how to do this thing. You got to know the sales process and the steps to the sale, the road to the sale. And number 4, when you start to get a little bit more advanced, you got to know the prospect. You got to understand how to read your customer. You got to understand how to effectively communicate with your customer through selling techniques, through understanding how to use your voice as a tool, tonality, understanding how to do all the things, how to get into the mind of your customer, the psychology of what we do, right? This physiological need for connection that customers have. So 4 things that you got to work on, the 4 elements. Number 1 is the person, that's you. Number 2 is the product. You got to know what you're selling. Number 3 is the process. You got to know how to sell it. And number 4, you got to know your prospect. You got to know your customer, and you got to understand how to effectively communicate, get into the mind of your customer, and understand how you can make more car deals and make more profit. Hey, my friend, thank you for watching. And if you want to see videos just like this one, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the love and support. And don't forget, leave some comments down below. I'm looking forward to all of your interaction and feedback, and I can't wait to bring you more videos just like this one. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.